Yo, what's going on? So this is how to withdraw Pixeltap Coin. So the first step to withdraw Pixeltap Coin is to ensure sufficient reputation points. Check your reputation points balance to ensure you meet the required threshold for withdrawal, referring to trading and withdrawal limits. Secondly, you're gonna connect run-in wallet. Link your run-in wallet to Pixeltap game to initiate the withdrawal process. Thirdly, you're gonna select the withdrawal amount, choose the amount of pixel you wanna withdraw and sign any corresponding transactions that pop up when you off from your wallet. Verify wallet address. Carefully enter the address so you don't enter it wrong because you're gonna lose your pixel if you do enter it wrong, so make sure it's right. Yeah, so important to know there is no fee for withdrawing pixel from the game. If you recently added the wallet, you cannot withdraw to it for 7 days, but you can deposit. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits or fees that may apply. If you're new to cryptocurrency changes, consider creating an account on supporting exchange, verifying your account, transferring your coins, and placing a sell order to convert your pixel to other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Once executed, withdraw your funds to your bank or digital wallet. And yeah, that is it.